Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. An automatic irrigation system really is the best way to water here in the desert Southwest. And to make sure you're getting the most out of your system, you should know how it works and how to maintain it properly. There are four main components to any irrigation system. Number one, a water source. Number two, a valve. Number three, a controller. And number four, a delivery system. The water source from your home system is normally the main water line coming into your home from the street. This source is usually tapped into just before it enters your home at the front of the house. A ball valve is inserted so that the water supply can be turned on or off without interrupting the water flow into the home. The use of a PVB or anti-siphon valve is required to prevent the possible contamination of the main water supply. From here, the water is directed through the irrigation valves that regulate the flow to different areas of the yard. The area around the valves should be checked periodically for any leaks. This would indicate a problem with the valve itself or the couplings to the valve. If a valve is designated for lawn sprinklers, the delivery system will consist of PVC pipe and high-volume lawn sprinkler heads. If the valve is for drip irrigation, the delivery system will be polytubing and low-volume drip emitters. In this case, the valves would require a filter and a pressure regulator that would prevent the low-volume tubing and emitters from popping off from too much water pressure. While the system is running, check all of your sprinklers and drip emitters each month to make sure they are functioning properly. The last thing needed to complete the system is a controller or irrigation timer that is wired directly to the valves. They regulate the amount of time and frequency of water that is applied to your plants. If you have lawn sprinklers and drip emitters, make sure that these are on separate stations and separate programs. If you have an older controller that's not functioning properly, you should take a look at some of the newer ones that are available now. New technology has made smart clocks now available that can even be operated remotely from your smartphone. Get free copies of our Star Notes number 905, 910, and 915 at starnursery.com or on our free app. And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.